So here's make a part our deep cleaning the first time. So I want to show you guys. Here is first we clean all the vents with the broom, and here everything up we use the broom and we use the Swiffer. So if you see something dust, anything else, we use the Swiffer. So we clean everything. You see our cleaning, it's very, very good. Okay, now I need to show you, this is the longest Swiffer. Show you guys, this is for the top, this is for the bottom. So you can open, you can reach very high. Okay, I need to show you guys more things. Then here we move everything around because we want to make sure we clean all the baseboards, the walls we clean, and we move everything. First, always we start in the top. Here, we clean everything here, and we clean everything here, and everything will be done in the top, and we start going the bottom. Okay, thank you.